Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodities Market Update with Jatin Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP for Commodities. So this week we are looking at all the commodities into volatile sessions, especially weakness is the trend which is looking at the hour of the trade where there are some fundamental updates which are acting as a strong negative points for the commodities. Uh, as we are all aware about the Chinese real estate firm, on the verge of defaulting on the payment, which is going to impact largely on the prices, especially the base metal prices. And the dollar index has, given some upward tick, which is also providing some negative cues for the base metals and the bullions as well. But speaking about largely on terms of the update of Chinese economy and the Chinese real estate, defaulting on the payment, this will impact the base metals very strongly on the negative side. But all in all, the bullions market might, at the end of the day, would benefit from such kind of a default. So it has to be very carefully traded this week. We are going to see some choppy trades as there are many events also lined up. We have the Fed meeting updates, which will impact the prices. We are going to have the RBI's policy coming ahead, so the prices would also impact on the currency market prices. So all in all, the tapering news and the Chinese real estate firm news will also impact largely on the commodity prices, and the commodities will start taking volatile sessions and hit the highs and lows altogether. So it is recommended that one should be trading very carefully and with strict stop losses and avoid major trades this week especially, and wait for some clarity on the tapering news and the Chinese real estate firms payment news at how it goes about ahead. Uh, Looking at the current scenario, the levels which are important for gold prices are 45,700 to 45,500 on the lower end. 46,100 to 46,300 remains a very strong resistance as well. On the silver front, 59,000 is a very strong support zone. For positional traders, it is advisable that whenever you have the prices near 59,500, one can start accumulating the prices. On the higher end, 61,000 will remain as a very strong resistance point as well. The special trending commodities this week looks like the base metals, especially the copper, zinc, nickel prices. This is a segment which is going to be trending this week. It is advisable to not trade heavily, as said earlier. The levels which are important are for the copper at 715 to 720 as a resistance point. Uh, 700 to 695 is supportive zone, but if and all the prices do start trading below 700, we are expecting the prices to hit near the levels of 680 to 670 as well. On the zinc front, 255 to 257 will act as a very strong resistance point. On the lower end, 250 to 248 acts as a small supportive zone. On the nickel front, 1460 to 1475 is a very strong resistance point, and on the lower end, 1420 to 1425 is a supportive zone. So, all in all, to summarize it, it is a sell on rise opportunity in the base metals, and it is a opportunity for the long positional traders to enter the gold and silver prices, looking at the scenario where we have seen already 5-10% correction from the higher end. So this is about it from me, guys, on the commodities market front with Ticker TV. This is Jatin Trivedi signing off.